our princess. Vancouver. You remember him? Anatolie. And with special guest, Oleh. Welcome to Vancouver. We went down the ship. I'm introducing Oleh from Ukraine.
From Ukraine.
Yeah.
And this is my friend from Philippines.
Yeah, from Philippines, Roldan Pelayo. This is what it looks like here in Canada. First time. Taking selfie. Anatolie taking selfie.
This is beautiful day.
This is a beautiful day. It's sunny. It's not raining. It's always raining here in Vancouver. My friend told me about it. Shout out to Arvin. Hello. You're so far from here. There's our ship.
In this skyscrapers.
Yeah. See, there's a lot of buildings here around. First time in Canada. And Oleh is going to give me a tour here in Canada.
Yeah, this is my second time.
Second time going here.
I already provided tours for people who the first time.
He'll provide tours for us. And I think we'll come back here next week after 10 days. We're going to LA, California, 10-day cruise. We're not going to be able to go down in LA and Santa Barbara because of our first contract issue.
Yeah, for you, but I can go.
Yeah. This place is very nice.
Just cross the street.
Okay. Look,
For a while.
look, this is a great place to go. Canada. Very nice. So my target here is to find a good Wi-Fi. I hope we get a free Wi-Fi here, so I can upload my videos.
Let's go.
Remember Anatolie from Moldova. I'm with the mafia here. Nice. It's so cold here. It's like 10 degrees colder than Baguio. Look at the maple tree.
It looks like we know where to go, but I have no idea.
Yeah, just walking around here. We're gonna give you a good tour here in Vancouver, just walking around. Look at the maple tree, so nice. Look at the color of the trees. There's a lot of trees inside here. We find
Mako or where is Wi-Fi is the best?
McDonald's.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm sure Starbucks is better Wi-Fi or McDonald's.
I don't. Starbucks.
Starbucks better.
It's up to you. So we're going to Starbucks. Welcome to my channel, and so this is Oleh. I will be teaching him how to edit videos.
Another
and vlog.
video,
Yeah, so he can make his own YouTube channel, so he can share his videos to his family and friends.
So Vancouver again, still in Starbucks.
Still here.
Yes. We've been
And
in internet.
we've been here for like 2 hours already.
We checked all internet already. Now we're gonna check Vancouver.
We're gonna check out somewhere here, just walking around. So Oleh, are you single?
For now, yes.
No, yes, okay. So for my friends there, Oleh single.
Yeah, single.
Check
for
him
now.
out. Add him on his Facebook.
Until next contract. This contract single, next contract no.
Okay.
Time is
So
both ways.
he's contractual based. His relationship status is on a contract basis. So he's like single for now.
Yeah.
So Oleh Andrushenko, right?
Yeah.
You add him. He's my friend now, so you can check him out. This is Oleh Andrushenko of Ukraine.
Hello guys, my Filipino friends. Now I just start following this guy.
Yeah.
I will start my own blog later. He will teach me how to do it.
Yeah.
I will start celebrities like him.
So subscribe to Oleh's channel soon. He will have it too.
We will start this project.
Yeah. Okay.
From next week.
We'll be traveling again in Hawaii for a lot of times. Anatolie.
Yo, what's up?
What's up? So how was the cruise? The 15-day cruise? Our 5 days at sea.
Sea days, no. Don't like it. But it's okay. I can get used to it.
Yes.
All good.
All good. So you need to tell them to subscribe to my channel now.
Yeah, subscribe to his channel. He's the best.
Napakalamig dito sa Canada. Nasa loob kami ng Starbucks pero ang lamig. First time ko nag-coffee for a long time. Huling Starbucks ko siguro July pa or August. I don't drink coffee. Napakapay para maka-wifi. It's 12 noon here. Still busy but there's a lot of people walking around. Next time I'll visit Tim Hortons. Shout out to Arvin because a lot of people are familiar with Starbucks. We just went to Starbucks. Caramel macchiato for $5.41 Canadian. 5.41 Canadian. I tip $1 Canadian dollar, so it's 6.41. Not bad. I don't know how much is the Canadian dollar because in the Philippines it's like only 100 plus pesos for this one. So it's like times 2 or times 3 here in Canada. It's cold. I don't like cold places. That's why I love Hawaii. So we're gonna see Hawaii in 2 weeks time because we have a 10-day cruise in California. After that, going to Los Angeles and straight to the 15-day cruise in Hawaii. Stay tuned and keep on watching my videos. Still have a lot of time here in the ship. I will be sharing my videos. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell for notification so you will be notified once I upload new videos. Like, comment, and share my videos. To all the people that would like to work in a cruise ship, I'll give you some tips soon about our casino job. It's the best job in the world for me. To get to enjoy cruise life.
I'm the best dealer.
Dealer on the ship.
The most friendly dealer.
Most friendly. Really good.
The most professional.
Yeah.
The most handsome.
He has the most everything.
The most talkative. The less shy.
One of the best dealers too, Anatolie from Moldova. He's really good in dealing. You can see his skills.
What you taking money?
See, BC City.
Very similar to Seattle and Victoria.
Really? There's a
The
lot
same
of people too. Same weather.
Did you go out in Victoria?
No, I haven't been to Victoria. From Seattle.
Yeah.
Then here, I wasn't able to go outside. I went outside only in Hawaii.
Okay, so this one similar to Victoria and one to Seattle.
Nice.
This time it's cold already.
Yeah, it's really cold. Oh, what a nice view. Ganda ng mga puno. Maple trees. That's maple trees. Burning trees.
And
Yeah.
also on the ship you used to see the old people.
Yeah.
A lot of young people.
Yeah. Young people now.
Usual when you just spend a lot of time with them around among these old people, and then
Yeah.
you can see a lot of young people.
They're smoking weed here.
You smell?
Huh?
You smell?
Yes.
Yeah, it is legal here. But we cannot use it. Weed. So here in Canada, weed is legal. There are places where you can smoke weed. There are food carts around West Georgia, London. See a lot of people here. It's so busy here in Vancouver. I'm just walking around here, and after the Hawaii, it's so hot there. Now we're here, it's so cold. I didn't prepare a lot of jackets. I brought a lot of tank tops and shorts. See their buses, it's electric. They have routes. London drugs. Busy. Pakalamig. So there's a lot of hot dog station here. Smells good. London drugs. Ganda po dito sa Canada. Nagpunta kami ng Starbucks. Meron naman libreng wifi. Pero nakitambay kami pag nag-coffee, nag-order para makaupo. 2 hours din. Okay naman yung wifi connection nila doon. Nakapag-upload ako ng 4 videos from my Hawaii vlogs. Medyo maaraw na dito. May araw sa Canada. We miss the sun. 5 days yata akong hindi na araw. It's been 5 days since I saw sunlight. From Hilo.
Yeah.
I did not go outside the deck
We also like
when we were at sea.
without fresh air.
Fresh air and no sunlight.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful here. Lakad-lakad, pasyal-pasyal. Buhay cruise ship life. Whenever you dock, you get a chance to go out and travel. No, guapo already, right?
Who?
Guapo, you know, guapo.
Guapo? No.
Yeah, Kevin always says that. That means handsome. Oleh, guapo.
Guapo.
Wow.
Nakakapagpagagagap.
Ha?
Nakakapagpagagagap.
Nakakapagpagabag.
Pagagap.
Nakakapagpakag. Hindi ko rin masabi. Canada, Vancouver. So I think Anatolie wants some green stuff. See? Look at the shop. Shout out to Angel.
Wow.
420 Angel. Ito yun. Kung napapanood mo to. Anatolie is planning to make a business like this.
Got it.
Yeah. Shout out to Jake, Janela, Scientology. Look at their transportation. Parang yung mga bump car. Yung may mga wire sa taas. Daddy. This is how you get lost here in Vancouver. We've been walking around like 5 hours now, and our tour guide doesn't know where to go. Yeah.
Because the air is full of marijuana, you know, we get high, we don't know what to do now.
Yeah.
Drink water every 5 minutes.
Yeah. Anatolie is so thirsty, he got high. So it's been a long time since I see A&W restaurant. No more in the Philippines. You have tacos too. Sarap dito kahit na maaraw, napakalamig. That ends our short tour here in Vancouver. Our tour guide is telling me something. We went up the wrong place. Back on board, ready to go to the next destination. Back to reality.
Back to reality.
After being tourists, we're now workers again. But it's really nice. We have a beautiful job, beautiful work. We have great team here.
Enough relaxing for today.
Yeah, we have a
Next
great
time,
team.
next week.
Going back to our ship, preparing for vacation and drills later. Nice one. Yeah. So now it's time to eat. We were starving from walking around. In that pad thai and sa sinigang. Pilani, say hi. Good.
They said I'm gonna say hi.
Now I'm forcing him to subscribe to my channel. Come, it's necessary to say hi. Sushi mukbang. Good pad thai.
There is one channel on YouTube.
New subscriber. So from my last weigh-in, I gained like 2 pounds. So for this week, I do fasting.